The Samsung Galaxy A56 offers an excellent combination of advanced features, solid performance, and affordability, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade without venturing into flagship territory. One of its standout features is the stunning AMOLED display, known for vibrant colors and deep contrast, providing a premium viewing experience ideal for streaming videos, browsing, and gaming. Powered by an efficient processor, the A56 ensures smooth multitasking, reliable performance, and responsiveness across apps and daily tasks. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its versatile camera setup, which combines high-resolution lenses with advanced software to capture clear, detailed photos in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the A56 comes equipped with a long-lasting battery designed to easily power through a full day of usage, complemented by fast charging capabilities to quickly get back to full power. Samsung's One UI also enhances the user experience, offering a sleek and customizable interface with a host of privacy features and app organization tools. Overall, the Galaxy A56 delivers a quality, well-rounded smartphone experience at an accessible price point, making it an appealing option for both budget-conscious and performance-focused users alike.